that, man.
How did Westside Gunn get a hold of it?
Um, uh, so a very beautiful person, beautiful mind.
Mm.
Stacy Epps, my lawyer and business partner. Uh, she kind of plugged me into that whole little situation. Yeah, I mean, and
Mm.
she also is great friends with him as well. So we made that work. She just asked me one day, it was like, you ever work with Wes? I was like, no, I would love to though. I ain't never reached out or anything. And then she was like, yo, send me some shit. Yo, I'm gonna tell you something, yo. Wes Wes will have you sitting 200 beats to pick two. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Ooh.
yo, hey, I was kind of tight for a minute. I was like, yo, did he get him? Like, I was like, I ain't get no response. Like, he only respond when he likes something. So, like, yeah, I mean, like, so I gotta keep sending batches and stuff. So I'm like, yo, all right. And then I remember Stacy was like, hey, yo, I think he got something. I was like, okay, cool. And I didn't hear nothing. You know what I'm saying? I didn't hear nothing. I can't even speak about the rest of it, but next time I heard about it was what in Paris at the Fashion Week. And I was like, somebody hit me on the Twitter. It was like, yo, ain't that your beat? I was like, oh shit. Oh shit. How they get that? That's crazy. I ain't even got the song
Yeah.
yet. I ain't even got the song yet. I was like, this is crazy.
Well, so he hasn't like formally released that record yet.
Nah, it's not out yet.
It's not out yet. There's snippets and shit on the internet, but that shit ain't out yet.
Nah, it's not out at all. That's
But
what it is. It's
bruh,
crazy.
it's funny. Like you send him 200 beats, right? But he chooses one of the probably the dirtiest, grimiest beats out of all 200 of them shits. And then what ended up happening, bro, is like it was like true. It was like a true Griselda
Okay.
record.
Mm,
So I
I
gotta
feel
ask,
that.
when you made that beat, was it just like you being you? You're just like, yo, I'm gonna make this grimy ass beat. You probably
Um,
weren't thinking like, yo, I'm gonna try to get Westside Gun on this. I'm gonna try to make this Griselda. I'm gonna try to make this just like that grimy Griselda style. You just made it, right?
nah, I was trying to do a V-Lord joint. I was like, I'm gonna make something. I need something crazy. I was making that for myself.
Right.
Um, I was just like, damn. I know when he wasn't picking anything, I sent that in a smaller batch too. Like I think he only went through maybe like 50 or 60 beats. But that was in like a smaller batch of like four. I was like, he gonna pick one of these. Like I done
Mm-mm.
snatched these off of albums and shit that I was gonna release. Like he gonna pick these. So I was like, yo, I sent them that on a sample. It's a little nutty. I was in the mood of just making something dark on some yo, here come the V Lord, on some Spawn Batman V for Vendetta shit. You know what I'm saying?
mm.
And I heard them fucking I don't know, I was watching something and I heard that shit. And I was like, hold up. I heard that shit. I was like, oh shit. And I heard the voices. I was like, oh, I just need to stretch that part. I need to stretch the I. I need the I, yo. And
Yep.
then I was like, I just need something muddy. I don't even want to do nothing extra. I just wanted something muddy with that. So yeah, that shit just instant. That sample chop just put me in the bag. That's it.
So grimy, bro. And tell me about the drums.
So the drums, I kind of like I use sample drums. I still grab joints from the vinyl. A lot of them joints like that is on like the Beat Butcher kit. They got like some of the similar like textures. I like to chop up some of those and flip them.
I
So
have
I,
that
I
kit.
yeah, Beat Butcher got some crazy joints. So I use I think I use a break from Beat Butcher and the one it sound like to stack it up. And
Oh, you used the drum break and then emphasized
yeah, I stack because
you
sometimes
stack
those
on top of them.
Yeah, I got to. You know, so I got a little sub underneath that joint too, like so it hit like a fucking elephant walking in. You know what I'm saying?
Mm,
Cause the original name of that beat was King Jaffe Garments. You know what I'm saying? So I want that shit to
bruh.
sound like King Jaffe coming into America and shit with the whole parade and shit.
Rest in peace, James Earl Jones, homie.
Yo, rest in peace, James
Rest in
Earl
fucking
Jones.
peace.